The cabin air filter in the 2014-2018 Toyota RAV4 is located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. Its purpose is to trap dust, pollen, odors, and pollutants, ensuring clean air inside the vehicle. Replacing it is crucial because a clogged filter reduces airflow, lowers AC cooling efficiency by up to 30%, increases energy consumption, and can harbor mold and bacteria, leading to poor air quality and potential health issues like allergies. Toyota recommends replacing it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or 12 to 24 months, more frequently in dusty or urban conditions. Signs of a dirty filter include reduced ventilation and musty odors. To replace the cabin air filter in your 2014-2018 Toyota RAV4, you'll need a new filter. The standard version is part number 87139E020, or choose 87139-522 for charcoal. You may also need a screwdriver. First, depress the glove box stops to fully lower the glove box. This gives you access to the filter compartment. Next, remove the filter cover. It's usually held in place by clips or screws. Pull out the old filter and note the arrow direction indicating airflow. Insert the new filter in the same orientation as the old one, following the airflow arrow. Finally, replace the filter cover and raise the glove box back into position. Experts recommend proactive filter changes to maintain HVAC efficiency. Ignoring replacements can increase fuel consumption by 5 to 10% due to HVAC strain, and dirty filters contribute to cabin particulate matter. This simple DIY task saves money compared to dealer services.